Good morning students. Today we are going to start our next chapter and the chapter name is chapter 3, Know More About Internet. So what is an internet? Internet is a huge network of computers. Means millions of computers are connected together all over the world for sharing data and information. And all these computers are connected together through telephone lines, through satellites and broadband. Internet makes our life more easier. Like we can get any information from any topic of the world. We can send and receive messages through internet. We can upload latest update from any topic, from any service, from any product from the internet. We can download image, movies, pictures, songs from the internet. We can chat with other people on the internet. So all these things makes our life more easier and convenient because of the internet. Next we will see the most important service of the internet, that is called the email. Email's full form is electronic mail. It is a service on the internet by which we can send and receive messages all over the world from one computer to another computer. And it is the fastest means of communication. Means we can send or receive a message within a second. As compared to the normal mail service, it is the fastest service on the internet for the messaging. Next we will see the advantages of email. The first advantage is it is the fastest means of communication. With that, it is cost effective also. And it is does not matter that you can write one page, two pages, you can write many pages in the mail. Next, we can send a same message to different or more than one people together. So these all are the advantages that makes it most important and most preferable service on the internet. Next we will see email programs. On the internet there are some email programs on which you can register for your email account or email ID like gmail.com, yahoomail.com, rediffmail.com or hotmail.com. These are the email programs on which you can register for your email account. Once you will get successful register for the email account, you will get ID and password. Once you will get ID and password, so you can log into your account and you can send and receive message through the email. In the next class we will see the next topic.